In this section, we're going to talk about expressions in Angular. Expressions are JavaScript-like code snippets that you can put inside of the HTML of your page. They are generally placed inside of bindings, and typically these are variable names that we have inside of our scope. But expressions can incorporate more than just a variable name, such as this math expression. Now you should note that expressions are not full JavaScript syntax. For example, you can't call functions on the math object or call an alert inside of an expression, but you can do a lot of things inside of an expression. Let's take a look at some of the possibilities you can use with expressions. So let's just go inside of our event details page, and right after the address, let's add an expression. We'll start with something simple, just a little bit of math. Let's look at that in the browser. And we can see the result is 30 has been printed on the page. Let's try something else. Let's do a little bit of string concatenation. Okay. Now let's do something just a little bit funky. Let's create an array. And let's access that array and get the last object from it. And that works too. So as you can see, there's quite a few things you can do inside of expressions. But as I said before, there are some restrictions. This isn't a full JavaScript engine. So you don't have access to things like the math and alert objects. So you can see here that that doesn't work. But expressions do have a lot of power, and learning what you can and cannot do inside of an expression will really help you as you're writing your Angular applications. So let's review really quick. True or false? Expressions support all JavaScript syntax. False. Expressions only support a subset of JavaScript. True or false? You can create an array inside of an expression. That's true. You can create arrays and other basic data types inside of expressions.